There are times when you're using gCADPlus that the position of the taskbar, the Windows taskbar, let's come down here and go across here and we'll lock the taskbar. There are times when the position of that taskbar can interfere with operations in gCADPlus. Let's imagine that I wanted to redo this plant schedule. It's a custom schedule, so I can go here, draw the schedule. Can you see I need to look down in the command area, and if I have locked the taskbar there and I'm in the middle of the command, I can't actually see the responses that are there. Let me just take that away, and if I come over here and click there and back again, I now reveal the command area and reveal the status line. So do I want to include the symbol yes? I need to click again in here. Yes. Do I want the markers? No. Do I put the type in the schedule? No. Do I want to include the code? Yes, I will. Pot size? No. Botanical name? Yes. And the common name? Yes. Do I want one printed under the other? Well, no, I don't. And my height, I used 0.7, so let's imagine I wanted to drop that to 0.5, and I'll put in my corner point and just come down around here. It'll be a much smaller little plant schedule. Can you see I needed access to the taskbar? So if you inadvertently turn on or off that taskbar, and I'm not too sure how you control it, but certainly we have at least one user who's raised this issue. You need to be able to flick it away, get it out of the way when you are answering those questions. One quick way I find is just to click on the Windows button here and then back again, and that takes the taskbar away while you're using gCADPlus. So I hope that helps. When you are using gCADPlus, you really must have access to the command line area, and that's also controlled by view and command line. I could take that away. If you take the command line away inadvertently, you'll be lost when you are running the special tools that are in the gCADPlus menu. So let's put it back, and now we can see the prompts down in there.